39 and 39th page already we have done, half of the page we have done, and remaining we are going to do today. I hope you have done the homework. So first we discuss the homework and then we start our page number 38 and 39. Students, we are discussing the answers of these questions. Lighthouse of Alexandria was one of the 7 old wonders of the world. Is it true or false? Yes, this is true. Next is name the architect of Lighthouse of Alexandria. Who was the architect? Yes, Sostratus. Next is who initiated the construction of Lighthouse of Alexandria? Here the answer is there. Yes, Ptolemy Philadelphus. Next is when did the Lighthouse of Alexandria vanish? Yes, it got vanished in 1480. Describe the structure of Lighthouse of Alexandria. Structure is that it had 3 basic structural parts, one built right on the top of the other. The lowest part was a high square, staying the middle octagonal section. The top portion was a cylinder bearing the statue of Greek god Zeus. Last question is how Lighthouse of Alexandria is remembered in present culture of the city. How it is remembered? Yes, it appears on the flag and seal of the government of Alexandria. Okay, everyone. Now, students, we have discussed the first 5 sentences in last video. A decorative art form in which colorful pieces of glass and stones are used to create a pattern, that was mosaic. Okay, mosaic painting. And this is your word scramble chapter, often described as one of the most creative art forms where colors are applied to a surface. This is the painting, the art form in which threads or yarns are interlaced to obtain various objects. Baskets, carpets, and mats are some of the products of this art form. And this is your weaving. WEAVING, weaving. Next is a traditional form of making products in which decorative items are made by hand or by using simple tools. This is your handicraft. HANDICRAFT, handicraft. Next is a widely known Indian art form where the floors are decorated with colored powder, rice and flower petals, especially during the festive season. Yes, this is Rangoli, RANGOLI. Now we are starting our today's class with this 6th sentence. Now students, again we are doing the word scramble page because 5 sentences were left. Now I'm starting with the 6th one. An art form in which articles are made out of clay. After shaping the articles, they are dried and fired before being put to final use. So what is this? Can anyone tell? Yes, this is potter. Pottery. POTTERY, pottery. Okay, in this form, yes, in this form what happened, articles are made out of clay. So this is your pottery. Next is an ancient form of theatre presented with the help of puppets. It is loosely based on social themes. This is your puppetry. PUPPETRY. Okay. Next is a type of art form which is usually 3-dimensional, and in this art form statues are carved out of marble, wood, metal, glass or bronze. In this, statues are carved out of marble, wood, metal, glass or bronze. This is your sculpture. And what is the art form? Yes, this is your sculpturing. Okay everyone, SCULPTURING. TURING. Now next is the art, practice or occupation of printing photographs. It involves producing images through the course of light. Yes, this is your related to this. This is your photography. PHOTOGRAPHY. Okay. Next is your, this is the last one, an art form where a particular story or a play is presented only through facial expressions. Charlie Chaplin was the most recognized artist of this form. Yes, this is your mime. 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 Got it, everyone? We are reading page number 38, important cities of the world. First is New York City. What is this? Which picture is of? Yes, city. This is your New York City. New York City is the most populous city of USA. This global city is the gateway of US that topped the list of most influential cities in the world. New York City is the cultural and financial capital of the world. Its residents speak over 800 languages. Students, now see students, New York City is the most populous city of USA, and it is the cultural and financial capital of the world. And the residents speak 800 languages, over 800 languages. New York City is home to the highest number of billionaires in the world. Means there are many rich people live there. It houses the headquarters of United Nations. Yes, there are the headquarters of United Nations. The view of Times Square. There you can see many buildings: Times Square, Statue of Liberty, and Empire State Building, and it attracts more than 50 million visitors every year to the city. Means every year more than 50 million visitors visit New York City to see Times Square, Statue of Liberty, and Empire State Building. Clear to all? Now I am moving on the next city. This is your Beijing. Is it clear? This is your Beijing. Beijing is the capital city of China and is one of the most populous cities in the world. This historical city is the political, cultural, and educational center of China for the last 800 years. One thing that it is the capital city of China, and this is the most populous cities in the. This is one of the most populous cities in the world, and this historical city is the political, cultural, and educational center of China for the last 800 years. Beijing is the hub of the networks of highways and high-speed railways. Yes, it's a hub of highways and the high-speed railways. It is the home to more than 50 Fortune 500 companies and over 100 largest companies in China. Yes, Beijing is having more than 500 companies and over 100 largest companies in China. The famous places are there: a Temple of Heaven, National Center of Performing Arts, and the Beijing National Stadium. These are the famous places in Beijing. Now the third one is your Amsterdam. Amsterdam is the capital city of Kingdom of Netherlands. It is one of the top financial hubs of Europe, housing business groups like Philips and ING. Amsterdam is the capital city of Kingdom of Netherlands. Okay, and it is one of the top financial hub of Europe, housing business like Philips and ING. The city is considered the best place to live due to its high quality living encompassing education, health and housing amenities. Okay. Amsterdam is the Amsterdam is the cultural capital of Netherlands and is home to two of UNESCO's World Heritage Sites, Canals of Amsterdam and the Defense Line. The city is also home to the oldest stock market of the world. Yes, there is oldest stock market of the world. And what is that name? The Amsterdam Stock Exchange. There is oldest stock market of the world, and it is home of the two UNESCO's World Heritage Sites, Canal of Amsterdam and the Defense Line. Okay everyone. Now the next is Berlin. Berlin is the capital city of Germany. Berlin is the capital city of Germany located on the banks of river Spree. It is the largest city of Germany with over 6 million residents from over 180 nations of the world. Okay, this is Berlin is the capital city of Germany, and it is located on the banks of river Spree. And there are actually 6 million residents from over 180 nations of the world live there. Berlin is a historical city with rich cultural and political heritage. Berlin is a historical city with rich cultural and political heritage. It is known for its splendid fairs and festivals. Yes, it is famous for its fair and festivals. It is home to high-tech IT, pharmaceutical, bioengineering firms, means it is related to medical drugs. Okay, and creative industries like media and entertainment. Berlin Fashion Week, Berlin Air Show, and the architecturally diverse monuments are the major attraction of Berlin. These are the major attractions: Berlin Fashion Week, Berlin Air Show, and the architecturally diverse monuments. These are the major attraction of Berlin. So here we are revising again. First is New York City. This is the most populous city of US, and is it clear to you? New York is the most populous city of USA, and it is the cultural and financial capital of the world. Okay, and there the residents speak over 800 languages, and it houses the headquarters of United Nations, and the main buildings there are Times Square, Statue of Liberty, an Empire State Building, and every year more than 50 million visitors comes to visit these buildings. Okay, and one more thing is that it is the home to the highest number of billionaires in the world. Okay, next is Beijing. In Beijing, one thing is that it is the capital of China, capital city of China, and it is the one of the most populous city in the world. Okay, and it is the hub of the networks and highways and high speed railways. Okay, and there are more than 50 Fortune 500 companies, over 100 largest companies in China. And the famous places of Beijing are Temple of Heaven, National Center of Performing Arts, and the Beijing National Stadium. Now Amsterdam, it is the capital city of Netherlands. Okay, and it is one of the top financial hubs of Europe. Clear everyone? And this city is considered to be the best place because of its high quality education is there, health related to health, you can say it is having the high quality part. Okay, and it is a home of two UNESCO World Heritage Sites, Canal of Amsterdam and the Defense Line. Okay everyone, and this city is also the also home to the old stock market of the world. Clear everyone? Now Berlin. Berlin is the capital city of Germany and it is located on the banks of river Spree, and it is the largest city of Germany with over 6 million residents from over 180 nations of the world. Clear everyone? And Berlin is famous for its fairs and festivals. Okay everybody? And major attraction of Berlin Fashion Week, Berlin Air Show, and the architecturally diverse monuments. These are the major attraction of Berlin. And one more thing is that it is the home to the high-tech IT and pharmaceutical, bioengineering firms, and creative industries like media and entertainment is also there. Okay everyone, any doubt in this? Now students, these are the questions which you have to do yourself. Name the capital city of China. Okay, it's very easy. Which city is the home to the highest number of billionaires of the world? Yes, you know that. Okay, now the next is, where is Temple of Heaven located? This is the major attraction. You have to check in which city it is there, Temple of Heaven. In which city this is located, Temple of Heaven. Okay, in which city is the oldest stock exchange of the world situated? Oldest stock exchange is situated in which city? Okay, next is, how many different languages are spoken by the residents of New York? Name the capital of Kingdom of Netherlands. Okay, write a short note on the city of Berlin. Next is, on which river is the capital city of Germany situated? Again I am reading, boys and girls. Name the capital city of China. You have to tell the name capital city of China. Next is, which city is the home to the highest number of billionaires of the world? Okay, and next question is, question number 3 is, where is Temple of Heaven located? In which city is the oldest stock exchange of the world situated? How many different languages are spoken by the residents of New York? Name the capital of Kingdom of Netherlands. There you have to write a short note on the city of Berlin. On which river? There you have to tell the name of the river. On which river is the capital city of Germany situated? Got it everybody? Any doubt in this chapter? Important cities of the world. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, so students, you have to do these answers in your notebook. If you have GK notebook, then do it in that. Otherwise you can write your answers in front of the questions. Okay, but this you have to, question number 7 you have to do on in your notebook, students. Now here we are revising what's scramble page. Today we started with the 6th sentence, so here from there I am going to start. An art form in which articles are made out of clay. After shaping the articles, they are dried and fired before being put to final use. Yes, what is that? This is your pottery. Okay, an ancient form of theater presented with the help of puppets. Its name is related to it, puppets, and it is loosely based on the social themes, and this is your puppetry. Okay, a type of art form which is usually three-dimensional. In this art form, statues are carved out of marble, wood, metal, glass, and bronze. Sculpturing. Okay, the art practice or occupation of printing photographs. It involves producing images through the course of life. An answer is related to this, and this is your photography. Okay, an art form where a particular story or play is presented only through facial expressions. Charlie Chaplin was the most recognized artist of this form, and the answer is mime. Okay everyone, I hope you have understood both the pages. Okay, very good. It's homework time. Students, you have to learn these two pages, page number 38 and 39. and you have to do the questions which are given below on page number 38 in your notebooks if you have, otherwise do in book only. Okay everyone, and then you have to send your homework to me. Okay everybody.